All right, ladies and gentlemen, this video will be to help you with solving systems by elimination, which corresponds to some of the questions on your homework from January 14th. So I'm going to do number 6, and then I'm going to do number 9. So we'll do number 6 first. You have the system 4x plus 9y is equal to a negative 53, and negative 6x minus 4y is equal to 32. Now the problem with this system, or what makes it more difficult than some of the other systems that we've looked at, is that if I just straight add these equations together, nothing's going to cancel out. Nothing will eliminate. And I don't have anything that I could just multiply one equation by, or there's not a whole number that I can multiply just one equation by in order to get things to cancel out. So I need to multiply both equations by something. Now I notice that I have a positive 4x and a negative 6x, and I know that I can multiply 3 by 4x to get 12x, and 2 times negative 6 to get negative 12x. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3 and the bottom equation by 2. And that way I'm going to get 2 equations that will eliminate. So the top equation becomes 12x plus 27y is equal to negative 159. And then I'd have negative 12x minus 8y is equal to 64. So then if I add these two together, these x's are going to eliminate, which is what I wanted to happen. So I end up with 19y is equal to negative 95. If I divide both sides by 19, I get that y is equal to a negative 5. So now that I know that y is equal to negative 5, I need to go find x. And I can use this equation, the original equations, any equation to find x. I'm going to use the top one at the very top of the screen. So I'm going to have 4x plus 9 times negative 5 is equal to negative 53. Oh, I'm almost out of room. So I'll have 4x plus 45 is equal to negative 53. So if I add 45 to both sides, I have 4x is equal to negative 8. So x is equal to negative 2. And I'm going to remember to write my solution as a coordinate point, negative 2 comma negative 5. So I want to look at one more together. Let's look at number 9. 9 looks good. Oh no, I changed my mind. Let's do 10. Look at number 10. So if we look at number 10, we have 3x is equal to 10y minus 25, and 5x minus 20y is equal to negative 55. Now the problem with this system is that I would have to, well, first of all, everything's not lined up correctly. So that top equation is not written in standard form. And I want my equations written in standard form in order to solve them using elimination. So I'm going to need to subtract 10y from both sides on the top equation to get it in standard form. So I would have 3x minus 10y is equal to negative 25, and 5x minus 20y is equal to negative 55. So now I'm on a roll here. I have everything written in standard form, but I need to figure out what I can eliminate. Now I could multiply both equations by something to get these x's to cancel out, or I notice if I just multiply the top equation by a negative 2, I'll be able to get rid of those y. So I'd have negative 6x plus 20y is equal to 50, and the bottom equation is going to stay the same. So it'll look like this. So then if I add the two together, the y's will eliminate, So I have negative x is equal to negative 5, so that means x is equal to 5. And now I just have to go find y. So let's see. I'm going to plug this into this original equation up here, this 3x is equal to 10y minus 25. So I'm going to have 3 times 5 is equal to 10y minus 25. So that's 15 is equal to 10y minus 25. If I add 25 to both sides, I have 10y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 4. And so I write my solution as a coordinate point. If you need any help with this, please feel free to ask Miss Fike in the morning.